Here.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Is the adventures of Jamie and Kyber. Kyber's down there. He's chilling. He just woke up again because we went out. It's 12/26, January 13th, Saturday, and today it's gonna be a vlog. It's gonna be a cooking mix. Show my sister how it's done. I'm just kidding, but yeah. So gonna be vlogging normally today. I'm actually gonna take Kyber out on a walk after this to a nice park that we've been going to recently. But today, I'm gonna start by prepping my dinner at 12:26. I'm making grilled Moroccan chicken. Just, I'm on onceuponachef.com, just in case that's important. But yeah, so got all the ingredients and whatnot. Gonna start prepping that right now. So I'll see you guys in a second. We're putting it all together. Alright everyone, so now we're gonna start. I think let me check. I think we're starting. We got all our ingredients from the Sprouts, most of them. We already had some of the spices and whatnot. So basically what we're using is skinless, boneless chicken breast, extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, sugar, garlic cloves minced, paprika, ground cumin, ground coriander, ground ginger, ground turmeric, ground cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. Just a heads up. I'm gonna start by tenderizing and flattening the chicken breast down to a 1/2 inch thickness. So probably not gonna get it that thin, but I'll see what I can do. I'll see you guys. If you want to skip forward, I'll be tenderizing the chicken in this next clip. So just skip ahead of it if you don't want to see me destroy it. See you guys in a second. Alright everybody, so now that I got the chicken prepared and everything, I cleaned up the space and everything. And what we will be using, like I said, got the smoked paprika, cayenne, chili pepper, turmeric, ground ginger, cinnamon I think, cumin, and let's see, coriander. Ground coriander. So yeah, gonna mix that all up. Also, can't forget the olive oil. Got some new olive oil. But yeah, so gotta mix all that up into a measuring cup, get it ready, and then after that we'll pour it in the chicken and let it sit for 6 to 5 hours, or 5 to 6 hours. So I'll see you guys when we are prepping the chicken even more. Alright, everybody, I'm backlit. Great idea. Or not backlit, almost. Okay, should be in focus. So, me and my mom and Kyber came to the park. Looked for a geocache that said was over here. It said there were so many DNFs, and then someone replaced it, supposedly. But couldn't find it. Looked around for like 10 minutes. But yeah, so left a DNF on there. I've only found 1 or 2 so far. I actually found one yesterday with my sister when we were on a walk with Kyber. But yeah, so probably just gonna finish up this walk, head home, maybe do another geocache if we see it on the way home. But yeah, not sure what else, but I'll see you guys in a second. It's hot. It's hot as butt cheeks. Kyber's taking a seat right there. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a second with whatever we do next. Alright, you guys, so it's the next day, actually. We went out to Chick-fil-A, had lunch, and it was really filling, so we decided not to eat the chicken. We decided to save it for the next day, so it's been marinating for like over 24 hours now. What we did today was just kind of hang out, clean around the house, and we got some succulents. This is mine. I'll show you guys it in more focus, probably. Actually, let me see. Refocus right here. Let me do it manually. There you go. That's that, though. It's really nice. In a little pot that we already had. But yeah, so got my girls over here, my little portable grill. We're gonna be cooking the Moroccan chicken today. Excited for that. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes when I'm eating it. We're also having little mini potatoes, but I'm not sure how those are being done exactly. Mom's making those, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in a second. Alright, everybody. Okay, guys, so just finished the chicken, making the chicken, grilling it. Got the potatoes. Let me pay attention to this so I don't drop them. Right there. Done in the Instant Pot, right? Instant Pot. But yeah, so terrifying experience starting the grill. It actually like exploded essentially. We were lighting it, and it was glitching. The gas can and the knob wasn't working right, and we were trying to light it, and it just wouldn't light. So, no, not paying attention, I tried to light it again, and it just went poof. Singed like the hairs on my fingers and hand or wrist. Pretty crazy, but yeah. Kyber's chilling. Show you guys the shot of the end product, and hope you enjoyed it. Tastes delicious. I actually had a little piece already. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a second.